What is unemployment? A situation in which a section of the people who are able and willing to work but do not find gainful work is referred to as unemployment. Strategies undertaken by the government to reduce unemployment. The problem of unemployment, like that of poverty, would have assumed much serious proportions if the government had not come forward and taken appropriate measures to check unemployment from time to time. The problem of unemployment is most widespread in villages. The government has planned many schemes mainly for the rural people. As discussed already, the government laid emphasis both on the creation of facilities for self-employment and wage employment generation, both in the rural and urban areas. The rural self-employment schemes include Integrated Rural Development Program or IRDP, Training of Rural Youth for Self-Employment or TRISEM, Supply of Improved Toolkits to Rural Artisans or CITRA, Ganga Kalyan Yojana or GKY. The wage employment schemes include Jawahar Rozgar Yojana or JRY and Employment Assurance Scheme or EAS. There are also schemes for the urban areas as well. These include Prime Minister's Rozgar Yojana or PMRY, Swarn Jayanti Shahri Rozgar Yojana or SJSRY, Urban Basic Services for the Poor or UBSP, the Prime Minister's Integrated Urban Poverty Alleviation Program or PMIU-PAP. All these schemes lay emphasis on providing employment for the educated in the urban areas. But for this, the employment situation would have been much worse. But these schemes suffer from faulty implementation nepotism, etc., which must be avoided. Meaning of casteism. In the beginning, this division of society was based on occupations, but later on it became hereditary, and then the question of high and low was born, which did all the mischief. The flexibility of the caste system was gone, and the people got themselves divided into several watertight compartments. Measures to eradicate the evil effects of casteism. As discussed, casteism has proved very harmful for our society. Its extreme side, that is, untouchability, is still more to be condemned. Various social reformers such as Raja Ram Mohan Roy, Swami Dayanand, and Mahatma Gandhi preached against these evils. One, providing education facilities. Education is the cure of all evils. It develops a scientific, rational, and liberal outlook among the people. And slowly they come to know the great harm done by casteism and untouchability. And they begin giving up these evil habits. Two, promoting the ideals of equality and fraternity. More and more emphasis should be laid on the high ideals of equality and fraternity, both by our great leaders, social reformers, as well as by the government. Three, by upgrading the position of the low-caste people. Every effort should be made to upgrade the position of the downtrodden, both socially and economically. More and more jobs should be provided to them, and some seats should be reserved for them. Four, by using mass media. Radio, television, films, etc. should be properly used for showing the damages caused to the society by the caste system and untouchability. Naturally, the public shall itself feel the uselessness of such evils and try to leave them at the earliest.